Alright, so this last set of notes is very short. It's only one shortcut: hypotenuse, leg, congruence theorem. HL. It says if the hypotenuse and the leg of a right triangle are congruent to the hypotenuse and the leg of a second right triangle, the two triangles are congruent. So hypotenuse and the leg. Symbols: if triangle ABC and DEF are right triangles, and H, which is my hypotenuse, AC, DF, and my leg, BC, is congruent to EF, the two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse, leg. Remember to pause the video, rewind, just to make sure you understand it. That is the perks of having these videos online. Example set A. Does the diagram give enough information to show that the triangles are congruent? If so, state the postulate theorem you would use. Any one we've learned is fair game, such as angle, side, angle, 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 side, side, angle, side, 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 and hypotenuse, leg. So try these on your own first by pausing the video. Alright, so this first one, it is a right triangle. We have the hypotenuse the same, and we have a leg that is the same. Therefore, these are congruent by hypotenuse, leg. Now number 2, they share a side, so let's mark it. Next, we have parallel lines. If I extend it, that was cut by a transversal. Therefore, this angle is congruent to this one by alternate interior angles, and this one is congruent to this one by alternate interior. Therefore, these two are congruent by angle, side, angle. And now number 3, a lot is given. We know it's a right triangle, therefore hypotenuse, leg can be used. We know this side is congruent to this one's congruent to this one, and that they share a side. So you have options. Therefore we can say it is congruent by, we can say side, side, side. We can say side, angle, side. Or we could even say hypotenuse, leg. Any of those work. Rewind it if you need to re-see each of those types. I color-coded it to help us understand which rule meant what. So example set B tells you the theorem or postulate can be used to show that the two triangles are congruent. Number 1, angle, side, angle. We need to show this in this image to the right. So let's see, for number 1, I'm going to use blue. We know we have an angle here, and here. We have a side, and now my last angle has to be included, and it is by using vertical angles. Therefore this one is yes. Now let's clear the picture again. Number 2, angle, angle, side. We know vertical angles. We know this angle. So far that's angle, angle, and just ignoring, we're going to ignore this piece here. And we're going to use this one. Therefore it is angle, angle, side. So yes. Alright, clear it again. Next, hypotenuse, leg. We know it's a right triangle. We know we have a leg here that is congruent. But now we need this hypotenuse, which is this piece here and this piece here. Since there are no markings and we can't prove it, therefore we cannot use hypotenuse leg. And following that, since these can't be proven congruent, there's no way we can find side, side, side. Therefore this one is also a no. That is it. Make sure we have any questions to bring to class tomorrow to make sure we're able to understand all 5 of these shortcuts.